Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to sign up for a Wayfair affiliate program. So the first step is to simply search for Wayfair affiliate program on Google and then simply click on the first link. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on learn more under affiliate program, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply wait until this loads up, and after that what you're gonna have to do is simply create your account. So basically you're gonna have to simply enter here the language, choose your country, then enter your email address. I'm gonna enter my email address really fast, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply click on verify email, and basically that's all you have to do in order to create your account. And then you're gonna have to simply apply for Wayfair affiliate program. So I'm gonna let me refresh this. So let's see here where it is, the email verification email. So it should be here. So after you verify your email, basically you can send them a request, and basically they can approve or not approve you depending on your affiliate account. So as you can see now, as you can see, create my publisher account, you're gonna have to check these boxes, and then here you're gonna have to read these. So let's click on this, then simply scroll down, and then you're gonna have to accept, and then you're gonna have to do the same thing with these. Let me click on this and then click on continue to account. Now we need to wait, and now we need to log into our account, and basically this will be we need this account in order to apply for this affiliate program, otherwise it won't work. So get started, and now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on find advertiser, and then here you're gonna have to simply search for it, and basically after that you're gonna have to simply click on apply to program, and that's all you have to do. So basically that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.